Best 10 Coffee Percolators. Farberware Classic Stainless Steel Percolator. Specifications: style, stovetop, capacity, 8 and 12 cups, dishwasher safe, yes, except for knob and pump tube spring. Dimensions: 8.5 x 7 by 9.25 inches. What we enjoy: use easily, 2 different sizes, safe washing machine, guarantee lifetime. What we dislike: some claim it's warm, can leak during pouring. Presto Stainless Steel Coffee Percolator. Specifications: style, electric, capacity, 12 cups, dishwasher safe, no. Dimensions: 9.1 by 5.25 by 13.37 inches. What we enjoy: priced reasonably, pouring with ease, simple to use. What we dislike: small storage capacity, brewing at a slow pace. There is no automatic shutoff. Primula Today 9-cup coffee percolator. Specifications: style, stovetop, capacity, 9 cups, dishwasher safe, no. Dimensions: 7.8 by 4.96 by 7.48 inches. What we enjoy: price range, ideal for camping. What we dislike: concerns about the durability of plastic knobs. Cook and Home Stovetop Coffee Percolator. Specifications: style, stovetop, capacity, 8 cups, dishwasher safe, yes. Dimensions: 5 by 8 by 8 inches. What we enjoy: dimensions on the outside, handle is sturdy, lid with a hinge. What we dislike: brewing at a slow pace. Capresso Perk 12-cup percolator. Specifications: style, electric, capacity, 8 and 12 cups, dishwasher safe, no. Dimensions: 8 by 5 by 12 inches, 12-cup model. What we enjoy: design that is strong, brewing in a hurry, keep warm feature. What we dislike: expensive, there is no automatic shutoff. GSI Outdoors Enamelware Percolator. Specifications: style, stovetop, capacity, 8 and 12 cups, dishwasher safe, yes. Dimensions: 8.7 x 7 by 10.2 inches, 12-cup model. What we enjoy: design in the rustic style, simple to clean, warranty for the rest of your life. What we dislike: knob made of plastic, handle clasp is made of flimsy aluminum, enamel is susceptible to chipping. Medelco 8-cup glass percolator. Specifications: style, stovetop, capacity, 8 cups, dishwasher safe, yes, top rack only. Dimensions: 7.44 by 5.5 by 7.31 inches. What we enjoy: the amount of coffee may be seen, design that is unique, simple to clean. What we dislike: some plastic components. Rapid Brew Stainless Steel Percolator. Specifications: style, stovetop, capacity, 6, 9, and 12 cups, dishwasher safe, yes. Dimensions: 5.5 by 9.75 by 8.75 inches, 6-cup model. What we enjoy: the wood handle remains chilly. There are several sizes available, dimensions on the outside. What we dislike: a little expensive. Grounds are occasionally found in coffee. Hamilton Beach Stainless Steel. Specifications: style, electric, capacity, 3 quarts, dishwasher safe, yes. Dimensions: 5.28 * 9.46 * 12.58. What we enjoy: warms freshly made coffee. Brewing time is limited. For such a large percolator, the price is reasonable. What we dislike: larger than the majority of other models. There are certain plastic parts that could break down. Coletti Bozeman coffee pot. Specifications. Style. Stovetop. Capacity. 9 and 14 cups. Dishwasher safe. Yes. Dimensions. 8 by 4.8 by 7.5. What we enjoy. All metal construction with the exception of the wood on the handle and the glass knob on the lid. It is lightweight and portable, weighing only 2 pounds. Because it does not require power, it is ideal for grills, campfires, and stovetops. Inexpensive. What we dislike. Rounded bottoms may not be appropriate for glass stoves. For those who prefer 12 glasses, this may not be large enough.